Exercise 7.2. It is a very easy exercise. I'll solve all the questions quickly. So first 8 factorial. So what is your 8 factorial? 8 times 7 into 6 into 5, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what will be 8 sevens are 56 times 30 times 12 twos are 24. So it will be 40320. Okay. Second subsection 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. So, 4 factorial can be written as 4 times 3 factorial. This is one single term minus 3 factorial. So, 3 factorial common what will be left? In my first term, I will be left with the number 4 minus second term, I will be left with 1. So, I will have 3 factorial times 3. You understand? 3 factorial I will have 4 in the first term minus 1 in the second term. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 factorial enna 3 times 2 times 1 times I have a 3. So I have 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. Third subsection is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial 7 factorial. Okay. This is not true. Never do this. We'll prove it. Okay. What is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 3 factorial times 4. So, it will be 6 4s are 24. What is 7 factorial? 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, what will it be? This is 24 times 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7, 210. 5, 0, 4, 0. So, you see that 3 factorial plus 4 factorial and 24 plus 6, which is 30, is not equal to 5040. So you have 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. You cannot take the factorial common and add them. Okay. Question number 3. Compute 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 2 factorial. So 8 factorial 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 2 factorial. I stopped with the 6 factorial because I have a 6 factorial in the denominator. So this and this will get cancelled. What am I left with? 2 factorial and 2 into 1. So I'll have 2 into 1 in the denominator. 2 4s are. So 7 4s are 28. Okay. Fourth question. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial equals x by 8 factorial, find x. This is very similar to the example question. So what do? 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial can be written as 7 times 6 factorial equals x divided by 8 factorial as 7 into 6 into 7, 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. So I have 6 factorial which is common in the denominator. So I can take it outside. So 1 by 6 factorial, first term la 1 plus 1 by 7 equals, in the book 1 by 6 factorial value I have x times x divided by 8 into 7. So 1 by 6 factorial and 1 by 6 factorial will get cancelled. In that LCM 7 plus 1 8. So 8 divided by 7 equals x times x divided by 8 into 7. So 7 and the 7 is common. So I have x equals 64. Okay. Question number 5. Evaluate n factorial divided by n minus r the whole factorial, where n equals 6 and r equals 2. So simply substitute the value. I have 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 the whole factorial. So which will be 6 factorial. Okay, I'll go step by step. 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. So I can write this as 6 times 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So this and this will get cancelled. So I have 6 times 5, which is 30. Okay. Second subsection, n equals 9 and r equals 5. So again when I substitute 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 5 the whole factorial. So this will be 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 9 minus 5 is 4. So I can write this as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Appada in the 4 cancel agum. So 4 factorial and the 4 factorial will get cancelled. I'll be left with 9 8s are 72, 7 6 are 42 times 5. So this will be 72 times 210, 15, 120. Okay.